For this tutorial I am going to use this DK yarn in orangish, or you can say mustard color, whatever you call it. I will use a 4 mm hook here, and you will need some stitch markers and some crochet needles or tapestry needles, whatever you prefer. So let's get started. So I will start by making a slip knot. For slip knot I am just going to wrap the yarn around my hook, give it a little twist, 360 twist, okay, grab the yarn and pull it through this loop to make a slip knot. Now I am going to make 25 chains. So 1, 2, so we have this long chain. If you want to increase the size of the purse, you can also increase more chains. Just make sure that whatever number of chains you take, just take 3 extra chains. So for example, I took 22 chains, but I need to take 3 more chains as it will be the height for our first double crochet. Okay, so now wrap the yarn around the hook. We are making a double crochet, and leave this 1, 2 and 3 chains and insert the hook into this 4th chain like this. Grab the yarn, pull it through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull the yarn from first 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops. Grab the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. So this is how you make a double crochet, and this chain 3 is also our double crochet, is also called a double crochet in this tutorial. Okay, so now make double crochet in each of these chains. Make sure you take both strands. Now as you can see, I am almost at the end of my row. Just need to make 2 more double crochet. So I will make 1 double crochet here and 1 double crochet. Now if I make here, it will be like a little bit crooked, so I will make here. Can you see this point? It is our 2nd chain. Insert the hook here and make a double crochet. So the height will be same. If I make a little bit above, then it will be like it will not balance. Okay, and this is just for this 3 chain stitch, because in the this is our beginning, right? We begin with 3 chains, so this step is only for round 2. Now I will start row 3 by making 2 chains. Then I turn my work around and make a double crochet into this same stitch. Okay, now again I will make 1 double crochet in each of the following stitches around, and I will complete this off camera and will see you guys when I reach here to show you guys how I complete this row. I finish this row. Okay, so you make yours and I will make mine off camera. The row is completed, and now I need to finish this row, so let's finish it together. So here you will see this 2 chain and this double crochet. So some people are confused in this because they say that these are 2 different stitches, but as I told you before that these 2 chains does not mean anything. It's just for the height build up. So what I will do is, instead of inserting the hook here on top of the crochet, double crochet, I will insert in the 2nd chain which we made and make a double crochet like this. so it will not bend over or decrease or anything. And I will start row 4 by making 2 chains, and as I turn it around and make a double crochet into this same stitch, then again continue making double crochets. So I teach you guys how you can start and finish a row. So let's complete this purse. I already did some work and made this much height, like this, and it will be a small coin pouch. I still need to make one last row where I will teach you guys how you can make buttonholes for your little pouch or purse, and then we will sew this sides with the needle. I will show you how, but first I need to show you how you can make buttonholes. So I am on, let's count the rows together. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. We made 21 rows already, and I am on my 22nd row here. So let's just measure how many stitches we got. Let's count it together. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So we made 22 double crochet. I made 22 double crochet here. Now I need to see where I need to put my button. So I decided that I am going to leave 6 stitches here and make a buttonhole for a worth of 2 stitches, and then I will leave 6 stitches here and make 2 stitches as my buttonhole. So let me show you how I make this. So I already made 4. So this is 5 and 6. Now I am going to leave these 2 stitches, but if I leave it and make in third, so it will be like a little bit crooked. So what I will do, I will just make 2 chains to cover up this space of 2 stitches, and I will grab the yarn and insert the hook into this third stitch, okay, and make a double crochet. So our line does not get any smaller, or it will not shrink, and I will continue making double crochets. Now here I need to count. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and these 2 are the buttonholes, so I need to crochet 5 more. Now again I will make 2 chains, and I will leave 2 spaces down. These 2 I will wrap the yarn and insert the hook into this third stitch, like this, and I will continue making double crochet. And instead of doing here, I will make a double crochet into this second chain, as I told you guys before, like this. So this row is finished. Now I only need to make one more row to just give it a little bit cleanliness, and then I will show you how I sew it its sides, okay. So make one more row and then come back. So I need to show you how I crochet in. So instead of going into this threads, the V or anything, I am just going around these 2 stitches and make 2 double crochet into this stitch space, sorry, and just crochet your way normally. Okay, so now we have this buttonhole. So here I have completed the last row, and now what I am going to do is fold it to see how many. So in my mind I measured 4 rows for the flap, so I will just leave these 4 rows and let's see how it looks. If it look too small like this one is looking, we can adjust it. So now I am doing the flap for 5 rows like this, and now I will stitch all this with the needle. So let me just put thread in this needle. So first I need to mark this corner. So I exactly leave out 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, and the 6th row I marked. I just attach it with this because I am going to sew this corner first like this. So I will start by just joining my yarn. One more thing, if you want you can just start making single crochets around it, but that is for some another time. I will show you how we can do. So first what I will do, I will just insert the yarn here. So I take 2 strands, but I only am using 1 strand because I did not bind them together like this. And now I will just give it a knot, one more, and I will snip this later. And now I am just going to put my needle in each stitch. See, now I will do this corner off camera and will meet you when I put on the flowers which I used as buttons. So let me finish this and I will come back with the complete product. So here I have made these buttons and sew it like this, and the corners are also joined together. And now we have this coin pouch. You can keep your stuff in, your keys or just coins, and close it like this. And yes, I made these buttons myself by the way, and that's how it is looking right now. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and I will see you guys in our next tutorial. Till then, take care.